Margin debt, now at a record 1.18 trillion, marks an elevated risk as the Fed makes its decision. Traders using borrowed money, they're amplifying risk with leverage that's not really controlled. Every major surge, like the dot-com bubble in 2000 or the financial crisis back in 2008, was followed by a rapid and painful unwind that helped drive bear market declines. Current readings, honestly, exceed both of those peaks, suggesting there's some real vulnerability out there. Margin creates forced selling pressure when borrowed positions have to be liquidated as equity falls below maintenance levels. The broker, not the investor, controls the timing of the exit, not the strategy. Forced liquidation usually happens at the worst time during declines, when most would actually prefer to hold through the weakness. Selling accelerates those declines, triggering even more margin calls and a cascading effect. Margin really has no mercy. It forces exits when the brokers decide, not when you want. Leveraged ETFs offer controlled exposure without the risk of a margin call. The leverage operates within the fund's structure, not against your account equity. When you buy, say, a 3 times ETF, those shares already contain the multiplier. If the position declines in value, no broker is going to force a liquidation. You maintain complete control over your exit timing, using systematic stops if you want. You're never outsourcing risk management to a margin clerk who just acts mechanically. The Fed decision on Wednesday really adds a lot of tension in this record margin environment. It's a bit of a binary outcome here. An unexpected hawkish stance could trigger a rapid unwinding. With record margin, even a modest negative surprise could force liquidations to cascade, amplifying the reaction. It's important to protect your long positions with tight stops, just recognizing that risk is pretty elevated right now, and buy stops above those November highs could capture a bonus run if a surprising dovish bias sparks some real enthusiasm. If you're ready to trade with more discipline, clarity, and confidence, and maybe even predict the market days or weeks in advance, join the Market Turning Points community and visit stockforecasttoday.com.